Good day, guys. We're here at FeddyX Automotive. What we're trying to do today is just really bring back this car to life. We haven't driven it in about 8 months and just doing some maintenance to get back up and running. So what we did so far was we did the oil change, oil and filter, which was supplied by PRS Performance. Check them out and check on us, PRS Performance. All for all your automotive needs. What we just did, we did maintenance of the 3 belts here. One was the compressor belt, the AC compressor, then we did the power steering and the alternator, or rather the power steering, compressor, then alternator. So you know, this is the S13 engine here and it's pretty straightforward. So for those of you who want to try it, do it yourself. Very simple. So first you would want to break the tensioner for the power steering, which is located right here. This bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it properly. So you start breaking this bolt here and also the lock bolt for it. So you loosen this one and then start loosening this one here, this nut and then this bolt. When you start loosening it, you realize the belt becomes slack, lean the power steering pump in this direction, and then the belt just slips off. A similar procedure for the AC compressor belt, which is the second one here. You know, you would break this lock nut here, and then this is the tensioner bolt here. Start backing it out. This will start moving downward, the entire pulley will start moving downward, and the belt becomes loose. We did the procedure already, so you know the belt already on. For the alternator belt, we have the pivot bolt over here, but you can barely see it right there, and then we have the lock nut, and the tensioner bolt is located here. So what we did, we break the tensioner bolt, and also the pivot nut is located at the back, the right end of the alternator. So you just break that and then you start loosening the tensioner anti-clockwise, and the alternator moves like this and the belt becomes slack. And you just reverse the procedure. When you start putting on the belt, just reverse the procedure and you'll get through. So it's as simple as that. What we have planned next is change the plugs, which was also spark plugs are also supplied by PRS Performance. Again, you can check them out on Shigonas. Also, while taking out the coil box before, we noticed a little oil coming from the gasket around the plug seal here. Well, the plug seal, a matter of fact. So we went ahead and we ordered those, we got them. And next step will be to remove this, remove the entire cover, replace those seals, maybe install some rocker stoppers, and move on from there. So stay tuned. Good day, folks. Well, this is the continuation of the video. So as I was saying, we saw some oil seeping down here, and after investigation we realized the gasket that goes around where the cover meets the head right here was faulty, so we went ahead and we got the original gasket to replace it. So pretty simple to do. All you really have to do is just take out these bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, if I check that correctly, and one in the middle. After that, what you want to do is take out this hose and the cover should come right off.
Right, so notice some of the washers here have a little corrosion. So while we're at it, we'll be replacing these. Right, so these are the seals here that we're changing. O-ring seals. Right. While we're at it, we might install the rocker stoppers right along here. Right, so now we have the rocker stoppers installed, nicely installed. We're able to use back this shield head. Usually you would have to remove this to run the rocker stoppers because it is curved like that, but we modified it so it could still be used. Yeah, we didn't really run through a procedure for this because in the video because it's available online, so if anybody wanted to install rocker stoppers for themselves, you could just go online and Google it. They will give you the procedure, which bolts to loose when and in the order, and also when you're tightening it back there's a torque spec, maximum 8 foot-pounds, so it's a quite low amount, but you should be able to pull it off fairly simple. Right, so this was a turbo we had on the car before. So what we did is that we got new gaskets for them. This is a T3 sized gasket, and one for where the muffler pipe going behind the turbo. So next we got all new bolts and everything. Today we went and get all the new bolts, and it's just basically to bolt it up, fairly simple. Yeah, that's about it. So over here we installed the new seals. This was the one outside that was leaking. We replaced it, and also the outer seal. Just fit it back like this, and basically reverse the steps, tighten back down. This is the same valve cover we had from before that we removed from the engine. This is the original one. We just refreshed it a little bit and add a little red paint it. It had a wrinkle finish. If anybody want to get a finish like this, just hit me up and I'll tell you where to get the paint.